There is a truth most people don't want to hear. Comfort kills. Not quickly, not dramatically, but slowly, like a poison that numbs the mind and weakens the soul. If your goal in life is to be comfortable, I can guarantee you two things. First, you will never be rich, not in money, not in wisdom, not in experience. Second, you will never be truly happy, because happiness is not found in ease, but in growth. I say this not to discourage you, but to awaken something inside you. 1. Why comfort feels safe, but it's a trap. There was a man I once knew. He had a simple job, a small home, and a predictable routine. He wasn't rich, but he wasn't poor. He wasn't miserable, but he wasn't happy. He called his life stable. One day, I asked him, "Are you satisfied?" He hesitated, then said, "I don't love my life, but at least I don't have to struggle. It's good enough." Ah, good enough. Do you know the most dangerous place to be in life? It's not at rock bottom. No, at rock bottom, you are forced to fight. You have no choice but to rise. The most dangerous place. The middle. Where life is fine. Where you don't love it, but you don't hate it enough to change. Where the discomfort of growth seems greater than the discomfort of staying the same. That's the trap. That's how comfort kills. 2. If you want more, you must get uncomfortable. Every great thing you will ever achieve lies just beyond the edge of discomfort. Think about it. The first time you stepped into a new job. The first time you spoke in front of an audience. The first time you took a risk and didn't know what would happen. At that moment, you felt fear, doubt, resistance. But then something amazing happened. You adapted. You grew. And suddenly, what once scared you became your new normal. That is the secret of success. Not talent. Not luck. The willingness to be uncomfortable. Because the truth is, the people who succeed are not the ones who are the most skilled, the most gifted, or the most intelligent. They are the ones willing to step into discomfort over and over again. 3. The cost of staying comfortable. Now, some might say, but what if I don't want wealth or extreme success? What if I just want a peaceful, simple life? That's fine, if it's truly what you want. But let me ask you something. Is it peace you're living in? Or is it avoidance? Because there is a difference between choosing simplicity and settling for less because you're afraid to reach for more. I have seen people refuse to pursue their dreams because it would mean taking risks. I have seen people stay in the same unhappy relationships, the same unfulfilling jobs, the same predictable routines, not because they loved them, but because they feared change more than they desired growth. And in the end, do you know what their greatest regret was? Not failure. Not mistakes. Regret for the things they never tried. 4. How to break free from the comfort trap. So what can you do? How do you break free from a life of comfort and step into something greater? 1. Get comfortable being uncomfortable. Start small. Do one thing every day that makes you slightly uncomfortable. Speak up in a meeting. Try something new. Push yourself beyond your routine. 2. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. There is no perfect time. If you are waiting until you feel ready, you will be waiting forever. Growth happens before you feel ready. 3. Reframe fear as excitement. Fear and excitement feel the same in the body. Racing heart, sweaty palms, butterflies. The only difference. The story you tell yourself. Instead of saying, "I'm scared," say, "I'm excited." 4. Remember, the pain of growth is temporary. The pain of regret lasts forever. Yes, stepping out of your comfort zone is hard. But do you know what's harder? Looking back in 10 years and realizing you wasted your potential. So I ask you, what kind of life do you want? A life that is good enough? Or a life that excites you, challenges you, makes you wake up with purpose? Because I promise you this, everything you want is waiting for you. Not in your comfort zone, but just beyond it. The question is, will you step forward? If these words spoke to you, let me know in the comments. And if you're ready to break free from the comfort trap, subscribe for more wisdom, share this message with someone who needs to hear it, and take one small uncomfortable step today. Until next time, stay mindful, stay present, and keep growing.